Hello friends, today we are going to talk about 6 common 42 RLE problems which transmission repair shop can fix your Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wrangler 42 RLE automatic transmission is also called the Chrysler 42 RLE A606 or Ultra Drive. Not only for Wrangler, it is also used in Liberty, Jeep JK Wranglers year 2007 to 2013, TJL Wranglers 2003 to 2006, Dodge Charger, Challenger, and Ram 1500. Chrysler recalled around 250,000 vehicles equipped with 42 RLE transmission in November 2005. The car plug that was supposed to hold the park anchor shaft was not properly installed. To solve this uncertain risk and prevent the potential injury, dealers were instructed to install a bracket to make sure the parking anchor shaft can stay in the correct position. The 42 RLE transmission has some problems which we will discuss today. Generally speaking, if 42 RLE has value problems, rebuilt transmission is a common choice because the brand new transmission price is way too high. What's the top 6 common 42 RLE transmission problems? Number 1. Poor shifting problem. Low transmission fluid is the major reason cause your gear not move. First step, most of the time you can check transmission fluid levels with transmission oil dipstick. Without enough fluid, the whole system could fail. Next could be valve body of automatic transmission. If solenoid in some car models, maybe the solenoid block gets stuck in valve body, it will lead to computer malfunction. Number 2. Limp home mode or gear stuck in second stage. Apart from poor shifting, losing car power or limp home mode is also a common thing problem. Number 3. Overdrive on or check engine light on. Just like all the other engine problems, CEL is the signal your car is telling you something went wrong. Later on, we have more discussion about what's error code meanings. Number 4. The grinding and clucking sound when shift. Manual transmission will have this problem more often as if clutch not released in correct time. When gear shift, the transmission grinds. This may cause wiring to synchronize rings and shifters. If it sounds like buzzing, normally it may be the bad bearing or leaking fluid due to bad seals. Number 5. Overheating transmission. 42 RLE seems to have overheating problems more often than other automatic transmissions. Some suggest to install transmission cooler to prevent the problems. Myself still agree that regular checking fluid level is pretty handy and practical way. If burning smell appears, very possible the fluid leaking problem is happening. Low fluid level will cause clutch to have burning smell. Number 6. Revving high engine. This is a sign that your clutch is wearing. And if you feel transmission is slippery, check out the fluid level as well. Next, let's estimate Jeep 42 RLE transmission replacement cost. The replacement cost for Wrangler 42 RLE is around $1,750 to $2,500, and you can refer to the below link for more information. Same as the other car parts value situation, if any of above symptoms occurs, don't hesitate to contact the Auto Service Center for thorough checking. The earlier you throw out the problems, the cheaper you need to pay for the replacement. The transmission fluid for Chrysler 42RLE should be ATF Plus 4 synthetic 9602 type. Any additives should not be added into transmission system. Well-known reason to cause transmission suffering issue is the fluid, except the above-mentioned one, running replaced into the system. If correct fluid is replaced properly, the system will work better and longer. If you encounter your transmission stuck in second gear, typically, soon the transmission will go into the limp home mode. This mode is designed to allow you continue to drive the car to repair shop if automatic transmission system goes wrong. Thanks with this safety design, the transmission will not crash down immediately. My experience is that the correct fluid, clean transmission oil, and proper fluid level are crucial to transmission system. Never will it be too much if you check in monthly. How about you? Do you ever encounter any transmission problems? Leave comments below to let us know your experience. We'd love to hear about your stories. Alright friends, that's it for today. Stay tuned and we will come back to you very soon. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and open the notification bell. See you next time.